Austin here with my boy Koopy, and today we are baking up some cupcakes as part of our baking slash cooking competition. Now, first thing we need to do is wash our paws. We washed our paws. And the second thing we need to do is preheat the oven. And we will preheat the oven to 350. And while that preheats, I just want to take the time out to make sure that you're turning in that Google form that will help you complete your assignment. It is part of the grade in X2. So, thank you for completing that already. I hugely appreciate it, and Koopy does as well. So, we'll get down to business here of the making of the cupcakes. And we will preheat the oven to 350. Alright folks, while the oven is preheating here, it says we need 1 cup of water, ½ cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. So, first is our cake mix. Next up is our 3 eggs. Roll up those sleeves here. Careful not to get any shells in there. Have our 3 eggs. We'll add our water. Then we need a ½ cup of vegetable oil. Take our measuring cup. Add that in. Next up comes our mixing. We'll use our electric mixer here. Start off slow at first, try not to get it everywhere. And as it blends, you can speed that mixer up just a tiny bit. Try to get some of that mix on the sides there. That beeping sound means that the oven is preheated and ready to go. Alright, our ingredients are thoroughly mixed together here. And next we'll start adding these to our muffin tins, or in this case our cupcake tins. Alright. And now we'll just clean up some of those spots on the pan. Alright folks, now we're going to take our cupcakes, we're going to put them in the oven for 17 minutes. When they come out, we'll do everyone's favorite part, decorating. Alright folks, we're in the kitchen, we got the jams going. We're going to check out some of the stuff that's in the oven here, see how it's doing. Ooh, looks like we're getting close. Take them out. So we get a round of applause on our hands for these cupcakes. Sounds pretty good to me. Close that up, make sure we turn our oven off. And next we'll be bringing our cupcakes to the cooling rack. We'll sit for about 10 minutes. And then we can add some delicious frosting. Alright folks, our cupcakes are nice and cooled. And we are ready for some frosting. So, let's get started. Take this like so. You don't have to go overboard, just enough. There's one. There's two. Alright, now that we're frosted, I like to add a few sprinkles. Oop. Without getting them everywhere. And I'll set it on. Oh wow, these came off great, huh?
They look great.
They look good. I can't wait to try them. Huh? I think a package just got delivered.
Okay.
I'm gonna run up the driveway real quick. I'll be right back.
Okay. Bye. See you in a sec. Oh my gosh! Guy Fieri? Mr. Ross is gonna be so upset that he missed you.
I heard you were making some cupcakes. I wanted to come by to doing a Triple D up the street here, my favorite restaurant. And now we hear some cupcakes. Oh, I can't wait to try. Personal flavor. Take it straight to Flavor Town. Right here.
Flavor Town, huh?
Wow, this is great. I gotta run, but it's been a pleasure.
Bye, Guy
Tell Miss
Fieri.
Frostis and hi.
Bye, Guy. Good to see you. Thanks for coming by.
I was so mad that I missed Guy Fieri. But what can you do? And now we go to the taste test from our #1 customer. Let's see how it goes. Is it good? You're welcome. Well guys, I want to thank you for joining me in my kitchen. I hope you're staying safe out there. And I hope you are participating in all the work teachers are giving. And we really, really, really appreciate it. Take care and have a great day. It's only fair that Koopy gets a treat too.